The doorbell camera captured an unexpected moment when a homeowner, fast asleep, was suddenly woken up in the middle of the night by a young man who had something urgent to tell him.
Whoops.
Yep.
What happened, man?
Yep. I was coming from the corner, right? And then another car from this corner. You know how cars from right here come from the corner fast, right? That fucking fool, bro, came from the corner like this. Shh.
It turned out the young man had come to explain that he had lost control of his vehicle and crashed into the homeowner's fence, claiming it was caused by another car speeding recklessly. But when the homeowner later checked his security camera, what he saw left him speechless.